At Heathrow, aircraft typically arrive over London from the east and depart west towards Windsor. This is because the wind mostly comes from the west, and aircraft normally land and depart into the wind for safety reasons. This is called westerly operations. However, around 30% of the time, the wind comes from the east. Then Heathrow switches its operations so that aircraft arrive over Windsor and depart towards London. This is called easterly operations. Unlike westerly operations, where we alternate the use of our runways, when Heathrow is on easterly operations, we normally just use the northern runway for arrivals and the southern runway for departures. Historically, this was because of the Cranford Agreement implemented in the 1950s. This prevented aircraft from taking off over the village of Cranford, which is at the eastern end of the northern runway. Although the agreement is no longer in place, we cannot implement full runway alternation on easterly operations until the appropriate ground infrastructure is in place. However, for operational reasons, for example when there is a build-up of aircraft waiting to land, controllers can still use the southern runway for some arrivals. When landing aircraft on the departures runway, the spacing between aircraft on final approach to the arrivals runway must be increased. For safety reasons, a diagonal spacing of 2 to 3 nautical miles is currently required between aircraft landing on the arrivals runway and aircraft landing on the departures runway.